Welcome to Paymentsave Learning Hub. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to change PAX terminal's IP address from dynamic to static. Connect your terminal to your Wi-Fi. Tap on your saved Wi-Fi network. Scroll down and take record for IP, gateway and DNS. Once copied, please go back by pressing the back arrow. Tap and hold for 2 seconds on your saved Wi-Fi. Tap on Forget. Again, tap on your Wi-Fi network. Type your password. Then tap on Advanced Options. Scroll and tap on IP settings. Change DHCP to static. Once selected, scroll down and type the saved IP, gateway and DNS. Then connect. This will bind your terminal's IP dynamic to static. Thanks for watching.